In this video, I want to show you the AI tool that I've been using for the last year, and I've generated 2,768 leads while using it. This is inside the tool, and you can see last month in July, I generated 598 email leads. This is just a little bit of the gamification inside of the tool called Lead Creator. You can see that for the last year, when I started using this, it's 2,600 or 2,768 leads. And you can download that to a little image that you can share over on social media. But the idea and the concept here is you click this green button to create a lead magnet, and then you have this interface that walks you through step by step. Pick a topic, set the length, choose an AI persona that you can customize, select the title, subheadings, additional info, suggested content, and you go back and forth via the API that Lead Creator is using to OpenAI or ChatGPT to build this lead magnet, or to build a lead magnet for every piece of content that you create. But this is what you probably don't expect. The real simple aspect of this is that you can skip and create a blank template, which takes you straight into the content editor, because all I want to do is create a simple page right now in the beginning to show you how this works. So to do that, I want to make sure you understand what the simple feature of this tool is, other than the AI interface to get started to create a super simple lead magnet, is the interface that is the dashboard. The dashboard here shows you the lead magnets that are trending, but there's also the ability here to create categories. And this is going to be important when you want to understand and know where your traffic is coming from. So in this case, let's say we build a bonus and review page, and I'm going to dive deeper into this concept here in a second. But let's say that you create a YouTube video for traffic, and you want to send people from that YouTube video over to a bonus and review page. So the content that you create on YouTube is the traffic that you're going to send over to the bonus and review page. As an affiliate, you need to build a bridge page like this to let people know about your bonus and review the product. So you want to put your affiliate link on this page right here. So what if you were to post on Facebook about that same product? Well, you could link to the same bonus and review page, but what if you want to track on the affiliate side, on the sales side, where those sales are coming from? Are those sales coming from YouTube? Are those sales coming from Facebook? Well, you go back and there's a simple little function here, and inside of the dashboard, you click on duplicate. Then you can duplicate each one of these pages that you create. So you create a page for YouTube, you create a page for Facebook, you can create a page for Twitter, for your blog, a page to send traffic from your email list. And at that point, you're going to then have multiple pages that are just from a click of a button. Just from a click of a button, you'll be able to duplicate these pages and then change your affiliate link with a tracking ID. And I'm going to explain that here in a bit. But before we do that, inside my Affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-step roadmap, where I utilize my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer, add people to an email list, down here we're generating traffic, and we're doing that with these three simple steps. And I've showed you the concept of YouTube video, a post on Facebook, a post over on X or Twitter, or a blog post. Then you have the idea of a super simple lead magnet, which is created right here. We did that just a second ago. If I was to go back to the main page of Lead Creator, it's just as simple as clicking this green button and walking through steps 1 through 8 to use AI to create that super simple lead magnet. But understand, I'm really focused on this part of the offer, or this step inside of the 9-step roadmap, where as an affiliate, I want to 10x my money by creating a bonus and doing a review and then sending traffic straight from my content. So when I create that consistent content, and again on YouTube or whatever, I send them straight to this bonus page, which includes a review of the product. And then I am adding a link, or I'm tagging the link. And over on Warrior Plus, where you can see today, yesterday, this month, and last month, what I've done as an affiliate is, under affiliate, they have different offers. When you go and you look at your offers, and for example, this one right here, Ebook Writer AI, you get your link when you get your affiliate link here, this is your link. On the end of this, all you have to do is add a little tracking ID. So for example, we'll go ahead and we'll copy this link address. And if I was to go back inside of Lead Creator and skip and create a blank template to create a lead magnet, at that point, you'd have a blank template. And here you would just put your headline for your affiliate product. And of course, you would build out this page and make it what you need it to be to promote your affiliate offer. It's a bonus page, bonus and review page reviewing the product. But the idea that I want to show you here is that you would just add a button as an example here. Click me, and this click me button would have your affiliate link. And in this case, I would put YouTube. So then I would save that. And then that is going to be my YouTube bridge page. All right. So then people are going to read your headline, read your review, check out your bonus. They're going to click this button. That's going to take them to the sales page. And that tracking link is then going to identify that that traffic came from YouTube. Now, what you would do then is you would go back to all of your lead magnets. Then you would have that lead magnet right here. Of course, we could go ahead and come over here and rename that while we're here. You would rename that to YouTube affiliate link and then click save there. And then that would change the name of your lead magnet. It would refresh. Of course, that would be your YouTube affiliate lead affiliate link, your YouTube affiliate link. That's your bonus and review page. And again, remember what we drew here. Your bonus and review page here would be for YouTube. So now this is going to look a little different. We're going to get rid of all that. We have YouTube and we have a bonus and review page here. We're going to make a copy of that. That's going to be your YouTube link. Over here, right, we had that Facebook traffic. We're going to send traffic from Facebook down to this one, and we're going to change our tracking link here, and our YouTube tracking link is going to be here. Of course, from here, they're going to click on your link, and they're going to go over to the sales page, and then that's going to be tracked that the traffic came from YouTube through your bonus and review page tagged for YouTube. And the same here would be for Facebook. It would go through this page, head over to the sales page, and you would know that that traffic came from Facebook to the Facebook bonus and review page that you duplicated simply, quickly over here on Lead Creator, because this is your YouTube affiliate link. All you're going to do is click duplicate here. It's going to clone that. Then you're just going to click on that YouTube affiliate link, the new one. That's the copy. Here you're going to see click me. You're going to come in here and you're going to change this link. This is that same link for that product that we were promoting. Here it said YouTube. You just want to change that to Facebook. Go ahead and save that. Of course, come up here and rename it. This is just another place that you can rename your Lead Creator lead magnet or page. And we'll go ahead and we'll save that. Then we'll go back to our list of lead magnets. And now we have our YouTube affiliate link and our Facebook affiliate link. These are different pages. Then this is where categories come into play. You come over here and you can manage categories, just like we did with the name. I already have some categories made. So what I want to do is I want to show you now how you can see this at a glance. I can come up here and say filter by category, and then I can come up here to YouTube and of course 30-minute YouTube. These are all the lead magnets that I use for generating leads from my 30-minute marketing YouTube channel. So then what can I do at that point? I can come up here and then I can go to my analytics. And then inside of analytics, I'm looking at all lead magnets that are marked with the YouTube 30-minute marketing category. And I know that all these leads right here, and here are my top performers, the visits and the number of leads. And over the last 30 days or any other date interval that I want to set, I can see lifetime clicks, lifetime average conversion, lifetime leads from that one category, meaning that I've shared all these links, or any of these links have only been shared over on Facebook, and I can see all those statistics and I know exactly where my leads are coming from. So it takes me back to this point, right? As ugly as all this is, I think you see, right? As ugly as all my drawings are, I think you see how powerful this is now. I have traffic coming from YouTube. I have traffic coming from Facebook. I'm tracking that on my bonus review page for YouTube. I'm tracking that on my bonus and review page for Facebook. So all traffic goes here. That affiliate link, that tracking link, is then tracking it to the sales page, because there's only one sales page, right? Over on the marketplace where they're selling the product, the vendor, for us as an affiliate, that one sales page, they're getting all that data from our review page with our tracking link. So we're able to track that and see that inside of our sales dashboard, for example, over at Warrior Plus. But it all started with a proven strategy that understands that we have traffic from multiple traffic sources. Of course, start with one traffic source and build it up. But then we are linking to an offer, in this case, a bonus page. But now we have traffic from Facebook, we have traffic from YouTube, we have traffic from X. Maybe we're running ads. We want to send people to that bonus review page, and we want to tag it with that link so we know exactly where it's coming from. So we just need to duplicate that page, and Lead Creator made it that simple just by being able to drop down here. And if I clear that category right here, let me clear that category. It made it just that simple to create a page for my affiliate link, to create my review and bonus page, and then tag it with that link, that tracking link for YouTube, tag that same page with my tracking link from Facebook, or you might want to modify it a little bit. And then also you can come in here, and inside of this page, we'll go ahead and say, we'll click on the Facebook affiliate link page. We can come into our integrations, and inside of our integrations, depending on how or what email autoresponder you're using, and you can see all of the email autoresponders that Lead Creator integrates with natively, you could, for example, using System.io, you could set a tag, and that tag will then identify it inside of your System.io account. So then you're tracking it inside of Lead Creator. You have the analytics inside of Lead Creator. You have the dashboard with real-time trending leads that are showing you real leads, and up here the total leads, and then also here you can actually see your statistics over the last 28 days. So you have all this in a single pane of glass inside of Lead Creator. You can also track it inside of the marketplace, in this case Warrior Plus, and see where those sales are coming from. Then you have the integration inside of Lead Creator to tag it, for example, in System.io. Then you go back to System.io and you're looking at your tags, and you know exactly where all your traffic is at every step of the way, following a proven top strategy and thinking, okay, I have traffic right now. Maybe I just have one traffic source, but in the future, I'm going to have multiple traffic sources to my offers. I'm going to be adding people to an email list with the idea to profit and scale. Well, you scale by having real data, real dashboard to look at, to see where your leads are coming from. And like I said, the power of the simplicity of the dashboard and the ability to create one page and then use the technology like tracking links and instantly duplicate those pages and just update the tracking link, and then link from your traffic source, YouTube, Facebook, your blog, your email list, Twitter, X, running paid ads, and then send that to that specific duplicated page, many duplicated pages, as many as you want inside of Lead Creator, and instantly just making that carbon copy and just changing that one little bit of information, that tracking link, and knowing exactly where your traffic is coming from, and generating leads just that easy. Because like I said, the most valuable part, or the part that I get the most benefit out of Lead Creator, is how simple the dashboard is to use, how simple it is to create pages. I call it Google Docs on steroids, because you have that ability to add a button, also instantly just turn on lead generation with that integration, and then tag those leads as they go over, as you saw here inside of System.io for me, but all those other email autoresponders. And that is the beauty and the real power of Lead Creator, not the AI integration. As powerful as that is, the real beauty is the simplification, the simplified dashboard, and the ability to create those pages and duplicate them, just like you saw here in this video. There's a link in the description. Check out Lead Creator plus my bonus for picking it up through my link. Right here, click the link in the description. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.